How to make rainbow text on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, you need to make sure you have the updated version of Instagram. Once that is done, tap on the Instagram application to open it. Then after tap on your story or slide towards the right to open the camera. Once that is done, you can either select the background or you could just click on camera and click on create. Once you do so, you will see the screen. Now you can type in any word or text that you want to change to rainbow text. Now, next step is selecting all of this. Now comes the difficult part. Click on the color. Now from one finger, you'll have to slide and select each of the letter, and from the other finger, you need to select a different color. Once you do so, you will see a rainbow-like effect on your text. You can do multiple colors and choose it in such a way to give the rainbow effect. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, keep watching.